Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. I am currently packing some homeware stuff to bring over to the apartment, and I'm really excited because I'm getting to see I'm getting to see household items that I haven't seen in a year. Some of them, I'm not gonna lie, they're a little bit worse for wear, so they're actually going to be going into the bin, but some of them are coming with me, and then some of them I'm obviously going to have to still continue to keep in storage because I lived in a house before, now I'm living in an apartment, so obviously I've had to hugely downsize. It was just so nice to see all my homeware again, and some of it's, actually a lot of it's very dirty, so we're going to clean it up today, and I want to bring over a few bits to the new place and kind of have them there and just like look at them and just admire the homeware and kind of add a bit of like character, I guess, to the apartment. So that's what I'm at today. I'm pretty tired last night because we didn't get to bed till half 11, I think it was 12 o'clock, something like that, and it was just kind of one of those full-on days, like full-on evenings and everything. And you know, today I'm ready to kind of get stuck into moving. I can't believe I'm actually getting ready to move. We're moving in, like officially we'll be sleeping over like our first night on Sunday, so in 2 days time, which is crazy to think, but we only need like our bed, our mattress, duvet and bed covers and stuff before we move in. Right now, like moving homeware and stuff is not like essential, but it's something I want to do. Right, dressed, ready to go. I am heading down to the apartment with all my gear now. Oh god, sorry, 98 FM is just playing and interrupting me. Listening to it on my phone podcast. I love 98 FM podcast. And then I was listening to another podcast and that just came on after it. Anyway, I'm heading down now to the apartment. All my stuff is downstairs that I want to bring with me, and I'm dressed. My room is an absolute mess still because there's no point in cleaning it. I'm just going to get boxes and bags and throw everything that I need into them. That's what's gonna happen here because there's no other options. This is what we're wearing today, this kind of like slouchy kind of white grey marley top that I got in Pennies maybe last year, I can't remember. They have something like it in now at the moment. My jeans from Pretty Little Thing, and then my shoes from Adidas. They're the NMDs and they're the OG white ones, so that's what we're wearing today. Very cash. It's extremely warm, extremely warm. This is all the stuff I have here to bring with me. A box full of kind of homeware. A lot of it's real dirty, so I'm going to clean it. I found loads of Yankee candles as well, so I'm going to bring some of them with me, and like Yankee candle, what you call them, tea light things. And then I found these like lovely flowers and, you know, just bits and bobs that I've had collected over the year and over the years rather of living out of home, so I'm gonna bring them with me. I also got sent this yesterday. I thought this was super cool. It is from Pixie Beauty. Every time I open this flips out. I don't know how to open it. I should probably be opening it the other way, but anyway, they sent me all their liquid lipsticks. Would you guys like a liquid lipstick, I don't know, demo or try on or something? And then they have these like Pixie, what you call them, lip colors to customize your own lip shade. So there's a red and then a maroon, like a brownie maroony shade, a yellow and a white, so you can make your own lip. And then they want you to put it in here, I can't get that one out, and send it back to them with your lip shade. So you have till the 31st of December or something too. It's really cool. I don't know if that's for everybody or they're just sent it to bloggers. I'm not really sure what the deal is, but I love the look of these. Aren't they so pretty? This one for the autumn. Yes, honey, come to me. And then I like this one, Evening Rose. That looks really nice. And obviously the nudes. Hello, I love my nudes. So I can try them out in a video if you guys want to see what they look like. I don't know if they're new shades or old shades or what the deal is. I thought the packaging of this was super cute. It's like a little envelope. Here as well that I might bring with me too. I don't know where it's gonna go, but it's a shame to leave it. And then I have a bin bag full of like candles and stuff like that as well that I'm gonna bring with me too. Guys, look at my new keys I got for the apartment. I have like, obviously there's 2 locks on the apartment, and I got like a little Mickey and Minnie key cover. I thought they were so adorable. I got them on eBay. I'll see can I find them and link them down below, but I just thought they were so cute. Look how happy they are. They're so happy together. Oh, you're so cute. Okay, so the car is kind of packed up, kind of. Still have a long way to go. And then I have a box in there as well of the other stuff. So we're on the road again. I feel like I'm living in this car, but for no longer will I be living out of this car, in this car. I will be living in the apartment with John, and I can't wait. I just can't wait. So first stop, I think, is to the apartment. Let's drop off all the stuff that I have in the car. Let's turn off the heat because it's 15 degrees outside today. And then I think the second job is to go to Penny's or Aldi, because Mum said that Aldi have new duvets in and they're really good quality because she bought one last year. And I need to get a duvet, I need to get pillows, and I also need to get duvet covers and cases and stuff because we're moving in like I said 2 days. So we'll have nowhere to sleep and nothing to sleep on, and that's kind of most important. So maybe I will go to Aldi first. Yeah, maybe I'll go to Aldi first and check that out. See do they have them. Then I'll go to Home Savers if they don't, or Penny's first, because Mum said Penny's do good duvets as well. I usually get mine in Guyanese. I know I'm so old school, my nanny shops in Guyanese, but Guyanese have like the best homeware stuff, like for duvets and pillows and stuff. Like I always got them there, and I'd always order them online just because it was handier and they get delivered to your door in a day and you knew exactly what you were getting, because I know what the quality of Guyanese is like. So I don't know, if I can't find what I'm looking for and I'm not happy and content with the quality, I would go to Guyanese. But I can't see why Penny's or Aldi or any of them wouldn't do the job. Then I need to get duvet covers. So obviously my theme is kind of like grey and cream, or grey and white. So I want to, and like with a touch of pink. So I want to kind of keep that. Do you remember A Touch of Pink? Do you remember that Lacoste A Touch of Pink perfume? Oh my god, that was like my ride or die when I was a kid. That and Tommy Girl and Ralph Lauren, the one in the blue bottle. Oh my god, just having like a blast from the past. So that is the plan at the moment, guys, and hopefully I can get everything I need today, because it would just be really annoying. I need to get a curtain pole, which is in Home Savers as well, the one that I want, because it's like a long silver one with like big ginormous diamante balls on the end. I love it so much. And I need to get one for the sitting room and the bedroom. They're primary. The kitchen's not really a big deal because I can live without a curtain pole in the kitchen for now, or live without curtains in the kitchen for now. But I can't move in on Sunday with no curtains in the bedroom, because number one, that's just, it kind of like freaks me out as well. Even though like we're not on the ground floor or anything, I hate it. Like you can see faces in the windows. The second thing is the street lights will be like coming in and whatever, you know. So that is the POA for today, and yeah, come along with me. I hope it's not going to be too boring for you guys. First stop, Aldi, guys. Let's do this. Okay, so they have it, but the tog is only 10.5 and they're all the same, so I'm not going to get them because they're not what I want. And the pillows, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about them. They have, I don't know, they feel okay, but they kind of feel like not the kind of pillows that I want. So maybe we'll try Penny's after this, although these ones look really nice. Firm support. They're only a tenner. Maybe I have to get 4. I don't know about them. I actually need hangers. I think these grey ones might be, yeah, we'll get the grey ones. I don't really like the black. We'll get grey and maybe like pink. I'd say I could get pink in TK Maxx. So these are only, oh, they're only £5. That's very, very good. Maybe I'll get 2 packs. Okay, so Aldi wasn't totally unsuccessful. I had the hangers and I got like water and stuff like that as well. And I also picked up one of these bars. I don't know what the hell these are. They're all so delicious. I was hungry. They were at the counter. Oh my god, they're so random looking. What the hell? Oh, it's a cookie. I'm at the apartment right now, and actually I just read through some of my comments on my last vlog. The one where I was trying to unblock the sink And some of you were like, did the sink get unblocked? Yes, it did. It did. Sorry I left you guys hanging, but it was just, I don't know why I forgot to show you it unblocked. I think it's just because I left it for like an hour or so. Sorry, there's like weird things in the sink. But look, it's working, it's draining, and I'm just delighted. There's suds in it at the moment, but it's draining and it's emptying, and I'm very happy. The sink is a mess. That is going to be a challenge for me to tackle later. I got this dish thing. It's a 2-tier deluxe dish drainer, and it has a chrome finish on it. I just thought this would be really handy for obviously draining on the sink, but because it's 2-tiered and it has like this little section for your knives and forks and spoons and stuff, I just thought this was great. You don't have to leave the tray on it. You can take the tray off and just have the metal bit. I was so delighted. And then in Aldi, because my battery died and I didn't get to show you, I got these fresh discs from Duck, and I got a bin buddy because obviously I have a bin now. Well, I'll show you, it's downstairs. And I just got some water as well, and I don't know what else I got. You've seen this. Those milks need to be thrown out. God knows how long they're there. I have stuff in the hole here because I need to actually start unpacking it. I bought these, obviously. I love these. And then I got some spoons in Home Savers as well, because we have no teaspoons. I don't need knives and forks yet because we obviously haven't moved in, but these 2 spoons were, oh my god, I didn't notice that, 2 for €3. Why didn't I get something else? Or $1.99 each. They were €2, so it's not a big deal. I don't think I showed you this last night, actually, when I was doing the empty apartment tour. This needs to be all repainted as well. Don't worry if it's a bit dirty, but it's just the guy was in fitting the carpets yesterday. But we painted the floor here, and we painted it blue, duck egg blue. Obviously there's going to be like a rug in here, or we're thinking of, because we have some cuttings left over from the carpet, that we might make it into like a little, I don't know, like a little, what you call it, mat for the whole. And this is the bin I got. It was only €25 in Home Savers. It said it was reduced because there's a crack on the top. I looked for the crack and I couldn't find it. And then there's all my load of homeware stuff that I have to bring with me too. Receipts there just in case, but I don't think I'm gonna have any issues with the bin. Can you guys see the crack anywhere? I can't. I thought it was this, but that's just the shadow. You can see it on the other side as well. I'm gonna fill this basin up with cold water, and I'm gonna put some hot water in it as well. So I'm just going to pour some hot and cold water in there. So I'm going to put some of this in here. And I'm going to use this to clean all my nice homeware stuff that got messed up. What else am I looking for in here? I suppose a cloth or a little scrubby brush. One of these ones will do just fine to clean it all up. Oh, why does everything have to come flat packed? I'm going to have to try and make this now. Right. Leave it with me. We'll get back to this. Wow, it looks so pretty. I'm so excited about this. I know it's just a draining board, but it looks fantastic. Now I have to clean up the sink. So I'm back in the apartment. Very shiny forehead. And I've just been to my storage unit and I got my coffee table out, which is just there. And I left it on the cardboard that we have the bed, or that the bed came in, because I'm going to clean the legs off it. The legs are a bit dusty on it, and it's just a bit dusty underneath, and I just don't want it getting onto the new carpets. And then over in this corner here, I have like my pillow and pillows. I only have 3, I know, because I like a feather pillow and John doesn't, so like 2 pillows are his. One is for, that one there is for me for underneath my feather pillow, and then or like I think it's down, a down pillow, and then I just got my sheet, and then my what you call them, oh my good god, pillowcases, and then a little shelf. So that is where I'm at right now. I also have a bag of hangers, and I'm gonna clean this coffee table. It's looking pretty manky, because like I said, it was in a storage unit. I liked my little candles. I put like stuff up there. I'm so sad. John would be like, what the hell are you doing, like putting in stuff? But you know, it's moving time. We're gonna be moving soon, so, well, moving in on Sunday. This is what I'm looking for, the lighter. I want to first light some candles. It's cold in here this evening because it's actually cold. And I didn't light the fire, obviously, because I didn't think I was going to be here all day. So I never lit the fire, and now I kind of wish I did. I love this couch so much. You know this, guys? Like, it's like my favorite thing in the whole world. I love it so much. It's so deep. And it's really relaxing. And I can't wait to put the TV in here and stuff and just kind of have things in here and fill up the room a wee bit. The sitting room is definitely my favorite room so far, although I know my bedroom will probably be my favorite as we're going, like as we put stuff into it, but I really love it here. I just love it. It's like our little home and I'm so excited about everything. Right, so this is what we're dealing with. Like, there's coffee rings and stuff like that, so I need to clean it up. And I'm just taking this Astonish product because it's great at removing like stains and stuff like this. So I'm just going to spray it on it and leave it for a second. So now it's much cleaner. I'm just going to wipe down all the suds that were on it and clean it down. Oh no, I hate that when you kind of start cleaning the suds off and then the sponge starts getting all soapy and then it's impossible to take them off. But it looks a million times better, nice and clean. Okay, so I just finished with the coffee table and I put it over here, and then this little table I put here. They are not staying there permanently. This is just going to be there for the television to sit on until we get like a longer unit, maybe with drawers and stuff in the bottom. And then that probably won't remain there because we're going to get like a little coal bunker type thing for logs and coal. And it's going to be like a little wicker basket type thing, and then there's going to be shelves going up above it because I'll need to keep somewhere for like my candles, like my tea lights, for lighters, kind of like bits and bobs that you'd have around a house. So that's where they're going. So yeah, that's all I'm going to do for now tonight. I think I'm going to head home, get my dinner. Mom just rang me, she's like, you having dinner? I was like, yes, I'm starving. And then I'll catch up with you guys later. Hi my loves, I'm just in bed now in my PJs, winding down for the night. I had such a great day. I hope you guys did too, and if you didn't, I hope tomorrow will be a wonderful day. And yeah, that's basically all I want to say to you guys tonight. I am going to the cinema tomorrow night and I can't wait. I think we're going out for dinner as well because moving day is 2 days away, like I said. Oh, so excited. Anyway guys, I'm gonna love yous and leave yous. I'm wrecked and I cannot wait to hit the hay. I will talk to you all tomorrow. Mwah. Night night.